Hello everyone, have been playing up with the new 3. No, it's not 3.0, that was the other game. I don't know which point oh this is, but it's Animal Crossing anyway, and the new update has come out, and apparently I've got friend requests. Anyway, and it's basically, I'm going to be playing I'm going to Halves Island, I think? Anyway, I I forgot what voice I did for it. I know. You're talking about the island that Harvey lives on. Roger that. Good buddy. I'll set right up now. You're ready? All packed and stuff? Time for takeoff. Alright, let me know. Get aboard. Wilbur, this is Dodo Tower. Wilbur, you copy that? Something? Okay, I've got good flight. Friend, here you travel, just think. What can dodos do? I've got a bit of a painful brace because it's breaking a bit. It's annoying. I don't know if you can tell. But you can't probably. Touchdown! Like playing card games, it's a toasted out player. Give a quack wing back. Something. So this is. Hey now. Hey there, lol. Good to see you again so soon. I mean, I was on the same flight as you over here, so it's good to see you so soon again after seeing you. Wait, that was today that we talked, right? I didn't just sleep the whole time since then. Anyway, welcome to Harvey's Island. Don't remember if I mentioned it before, but I run a photo studio here. I call it Photopedia, because it's like paradise for picture taking, and it's all free to all. So come and use it anytime. I don't know if this is this might be a very different island to the one I'm thinking about. Oh, while you wait, head inside. Inside, I'll tell you everything. Remember. I know you can get like a ticket to some island. Oh, I think that might be via the other place. But so anyway, I'm going to be coming over here anyway and having a little look. Sorry if you can see the camera, I just realised in the reflection. I don't know if there's any way I can really stop that. I can't really, sorry. So you're digging the photo file pretty good. It's like my home away from home, you know? Well, more like my home that is home, really. But since you're here in Moment Film and it's about question time in the studio, it's all as well, mostly is. Some notes too. Tell me more. Really? This is great. Okay, I come right, dog, sir. Here's the basic 3 things you need to worry about: pictures, set, models, and weirdos. What? In other words, arrange the space, gather all the pictures of costumes, and then master these 3. Take an actual picture. It's so easy. More details: seats, model, wardrobe, or no, actually taking pictures. Tell me about the sets. These are wardrobe. Your one costume set, right? Well, wardrobe come up with clothes or furniture, so borrow anything in the catalogue. Better next. Costumes to the wardrobe change the snap. You know that since everybody has a different stuff and residents won't wear certain things. Anyway, you're just changing sets with the arrow and set a character X to change the outfit. Yep, that's everything I need to know about the. How do I do? I explain everything else. I'm good. That's all good. Let's set different. Feel free to use it anyway. Also, freshen up. Yeah, come and grab outside. Cool. So I guess if I want to do something. So this is probably where you take all the pictures. Okay, well, that's not important to me anyway. Okay, that's on my phone. I don't know why. I guess they're not gonna worry too much. Anyway, there you go. That's the picture man. I think I know where I need to go. I need to go to the... Where is it? Wilbur, Trainwreck Moon Cake is reporting back to your require. Over. I'm ready to go home. Do you want to have a burst of and bounce back to Peach Town? Roger. Let's stack on mill tracks. The window is behind me if you're wondering if you hear any sounds from out there. It's a good place to spy. No, it's just that that's where the window is, so yeah. It's pretty cool though. Now I'm gonna go and get my tea. It's quite late as well, probably tell. I'm just gonna pull the window too, cause a little bit. Oh, I've got also a new sound thing, haven't I? Oh, that's Leaf. So happy to see you again. But seeds. So these are all the seeds. I've actually grown some of these outside my thingy. Can't even think what it's called. You know, oh, are you interested in selling weeds? Lies. Exactly. But the gardening should be make you happy about which is and now I'll double the nook things. Wait, and I get to enjoy the weed-free island landscape. So, weed. Not right now, because I actually haven't got any weeds on me, I don't think, because I put them all away, I think. Oh no, I did actually have weeds. Let's sell them the weeds, because actually it'll be, let's talk weeds, if you want weeds, buying. I need to actually come up with a voice, don't I? Oh, yeah, 61 weeds, oh yes, that'll be 1,020. Okay, let's buy that. That is a good deal, if you ask me. It's not too difficult to get more weeds anyway. Kindly, can you help me with anything else? Let's leave it there. Till next time. Not that. Yes, I know I do need to go in here because that's what I wanted. But yeah, Leaf is just helping out with all these random things. Welcome to Nook. It's a shame it's raining though. Let's go to Redeem Nook Miles because I want to go to another island because I'm wondering this might be the way you can get on to that really cool island that they're showing. I might be wrong, but I'm hoping for the best. Maybe it's not in this update yet. Well, it is in the update, but not yet available. But I think it's available. I don't know, do I have any of those? Let's redeem it. Zen fence. I think I've got a different fence, but not that one. Cool. Would you like to make another selection? No thanks. Not today. Good old Tron look. I think apparently I'm meant to be moving out. This tent is meant to be changing to a building tomorrow, I think. Come on. I think that's my Joy-Con, to be honest, being a bit weird. It's been a bit weird recently, I think. But hey. Well, one direction. Hey, welcome to your... I can't even think of why I go... Can I help you with something? I think I messed up the voice again. I can't remember his first. By the way, I'm looking Nook Miles ticket on your way in case you're feeling like that. So just in case the paperwork's official, did you want to go? Yeah, okay. Roger. I'm ready to go to Sky in a minute. Just check your pad ready to. Alright, let's get to Airborne. Saving. I'm really hoping it will take you to the cool new island. Wilbur. You copy? Go. Roger. Ready, blah blah. Okay, flight is ready, friend. Let's go. We'll do this. If it doesn't do what I'm expecting it to do, well then, that'll be a shame. Probably won't. let's take down Delta Osha Zelta. Meanwhile, I'm holding your power touch and leading you toward. Yeah, I don't think. Oh no, no, it hasn't. Not at all. Actually, this is the same island I met Thingy on. What's he called? Oh, Lucky. That's it. Lucky has actually joined my island, by the way. Pretty cool. I'm enjoying it. I don't know how you activate events. Maybe I'm just not far enough. Be a bit quite annoying though, but it's not impossible. Let's go and use a spade. Maybe I have to do more green things before I can activate the island, or maybe it's just not. I don't know. There's a lot of things that could be the case. But hey, let's go and collect some stuff. No, silly thing. I need you to. There. Done. 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 I have grown some coconut trees on my island as well. I've also a pear tree, so I'm be able to get different types of fruits. So that's at least good. No. Oh. It's a shame that it's not didn't do exactly what I wanted it to do. But hey, I may be missing something very important. I'll maybe look it up anyway. Or I may just not be able to do it at the moment. That's probably the case, really. It'd be annoying because, come on, it's a special event that I don't know how often these events happen for, but I don't think that often. To be honest, they usually happen once a year, so there you go, that's your answer. That doesn't make it any better, though. Also, if you're wondering, yes, I am wearing a dress. Well, I'm not wearing a dress, but my character is. Because it was one of the items that you got by a balloon, and that is silly of me not to collect that clay. I don't know, maybe it might be not exactly considered the same island, but I think it seems to be. Yeah. I don't know how much other people are enjoying Animal Crossing. I'm quite enjoying it, to be fair. I have plans I have vague plans for my island. Oh, great, my spade is, I don't know, it's a shovel. There you go. I think the worst part about going to some other island, though, is actually just you're not able to get all the stuff you wanted to. Done that, done that, done that. Let's be honest, I don't know how many of these little islands there are, but it's a little bit disappointing that, you know, that I've already gone to the same island. So yeah, been to 3, I think. This one is obviously one of the, and you saw this one on camera. Also, yeah, I did. Yeah, Lucky is really awesome. I also met another one on one of these. Missed a bit too early. Are there any more fishes? I'm sure there will be. I just need to find them. Also, I need to actually get. Yeah, I luckily got another. Because one of us, I mean me, decided to actually get a second one of those. I also found a money rock, so that was quite cool. So did I get? I don't know. I get confused what I buy also. I wish they made it a little bit more easier to remember what you bought. Where is the fishing rod? Nope, okay. I think there's going to be must be some cool fish in here. Because it's quite dark. I'm imagining, for me with the museum, I'm imagining that one's just time, but I could be wrong with that one too. Ooh, what's that? Of course, it's a sea bass. Why wouldn't it be? You'd think the sea would have a little bit more than just bass, but I'll just get off the fish then. I always think the small ones aren't as important, but then that doesn't mean anything, but no, let it go. Let it go. Please. Oh, I didn't even... I should have tried quick catching that bug, because I had it. I don't think. I might have had it, I'm not sure. Well, I think this is mostly it for the island. Oh. I don't need that bug. I've got one of those. Where is the... I'm just going to get this, try and catch. I don't know if anyone... I can't remember. I think yeah, because well, me and my, I can't remember who got it now. Was my sister there? I know it was me and my daddy, but I don't know if my sister was there as well. But we got my grandma a fishing game for a Wii. It was just basically fishing bass. Oh, thought I was gonna go then, but no. I see it. A mad-faced sting bug. I think I've already got a mad-faced sting bug. Let me have a look, because I see another one over there, and then I'm probably going to regret it, because I'm not going to be able to catch the next one. Not Nook Miles, let's go to... No, I already had one. Okay, that's fine then. Yeah, these are all the ones... It took me ages to actually get a snail, weirdly. But yeah, these are all my fishes and insects. Not many. But anyway, doesn't matter. Anyway, I'm going to go back now, and I'm going to have a bell-bottom opera. I'm ready to go back, because I don't think there is anything else I need to do. You're positive, be very positive, because you can't leave anything. So again, you ready? Yep. Yep. Roger, lifting off. I don't know, did I show you any of you Timmy's and Tommy's shop yet? I don't know, but you'll get to see it today anyway, so that's gonna be good. I think I've already uploaded the the Super Mario Maker 2 video that I did yesterday. Why is it raining? Sorry about the drilling. I have no idea. It must be coming from the neighbours because I'm not aware. Unless it's the a lawnmower, I'm assuming, maybe. Oh, okay. Oh, can I get the? Yeah, I'll buy that. Okay, I'm gonna have to actually. Of course. What do you need? I want to sell. That's also really why I came in here for, but I haven't got those sense things either. So let's go and remove. You can have that sea bass. And why didn't I don't know. That would have been a good idea. I think that's all the things I don't want. Though to be fair, I don't really need those either. So let's go and get rid of them today. Because we know that the weeds can be sold double at the other man, so. But let's also just learn this one. Zen fence. And we also need to get the bottle open that I was given on the island. Wooden chair. I think you already know this. So. So can I sell it for some money? Of course, what exactly offering? Because I do not need it then. Yep, sold. I don't want it. Again, so I'll do that. I'm gonna interested in a. Oh, okay, that wasn't exactly what I want, but I do want that anyway. So get that. I've already got the outdoor air conditioning. Don't need it. Seems like you're interested in the fragrance sticks. They're 830, so that should still be enough for what I want to get at the other place. Beep, beep. Thank you so much. I'll do that. Yeah, because Lucky's house is behind the Nook Cranny shop, so this good old Nook house. This thingy. I've seen all of them, I think. So, yeah. It's kind of scary, so let's get back on. Going on? Okay, let's. Right. And now, I need to get last picture. Redeem Nook, not Nook Miles, all these. There, and I do like that, look at that. Oh, I haven't got enough anyway. Not by much though, but I may get that after I get enough. Now I'm going to be getting the so yeah, and then yeah, there you go. I think that's everything I want to do, so thank you for watching. I'm going to have to look these things up on how to get to some of these other places, but thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Yeah. Oh, I haven't actually showed you my house yet, have I? I'll show you my nice house in the rain. There you go. Did not know the scooter had a light on it. I think this will scare off any strangers breaking on, but yeah, very nice. Anyway, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. I did, so yeah. Goodbye, everyone.